Hello beautiful friends, my name is Katie and in today's video we are doing something extra super exciting and sneaky and something I've always wanted to do but have never had the opportunity until now, right now. Yesterday as I was going outside, I opened my front door, scared the absolute bejesus out of the UPS man as he was dropping off this box. Now to clarify, this box is not to me. It is to my sister who accidentally got her Stitch Fix box sent to my house on accident. And being the worst sister in the entire world, I was like, hey yo, I'm gonna open your Stitch Fix box on camera and see what's inside. And yes, I did get her permission. I did not commit a federal crime by opening her mail. She did give me permission and said, it's okay, you can open my box and see what's inside of it. Also, let me know what you think I will like and what you think I won't like. Which also, this goes to you guys. If you guys like videos or just like being awesome, can you give this video a big thumbs up? It makes me feel better. If you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below because those are just nice things to do for creators out there. And also, because my sister has not seen these items yet, in real life, if you guys want to let me know in the comments down below which ones you think she should keep and which ones she shouldn't, that would be great. Also, in honor of her, I am wearing her sweatshirt, which honestly is like the weirdest color I've ever seen. Here's her Stitch Fix box. Good Lord, that word is hard to say. It did come wrapped a lot better than this. I have already shown her on video what items she got, so that's why it looks like a hot mess. Here are her 5 items that she got. These came wrapped like a beautiful burrito of awesomeness, but I've unwrapped them so they look like whatever this blob is. She also got this bag and this carrying case, but again, unwrapped it. And with Stitch Fix, they give you this guide of like how they think you could style your items to kind of give you an idea. What's weird is I asked her when I opened it, I said, did you order an all athletic bundle? And she said no. She was a little confused why they sent basically all athletic clothes when that wasn't at all what her style guide said she was getting, what her style guide indicated she wanted. Now in real life, does this girl wear yoga pants all the time? Probably. But was that what she asked for? No, not at all. And then the other part is that they give you this handy dandy price guide so you can see how much everything costs. Here is our outfit to start off with. Again, I've got my sister's sweatshirt. I also have these leggings that are from Old Navy. These leggings from Old Navy, I thrifted these for I think $2 yesterday and they are super soft. This is what we're starting with. I'm pretty impressed with these leggings. So we're going to try this athletic clothing on and see how we like it. But we'll start with the first item up. It is this brown mini backpack. It is by Sol and Celine, and I mean, it looks nice. It's really cute. It's the perfect size if you had a tablet and you wanted to carry it around. I actually do think it's super cute. This one retails for $68. This is one where I was like, oh, it is cute, but it just, knowing my sister and knowing her style, I'm like, she's 100% not gonna use this for anything. Also, she already has a ton of bags, but if you kind of like this aesthetic, it is really, really cute. Next up is this gray sweater. I like this little tie in the front. It's super soft. A great tunic piece. This is by the brand Pink Clover, and it retails for $42. So here's our first shirt, and we're gonna put it on. I like that it's a tunic. I feel like this would be definitely something super cute that you could wear if you were going to get groceries or doing whatever we do in 2021 at this point. I don't even know. I actually really super like this. I'm not sure if my sister will like it because it's really not her aesthetic at all. I definitely wish this wasn't $42. Y'all know that I am the cheapest human alive and I pay like $1 for my clothes secondhand. So $42 is like, it's a lot of money for me. But honestly, I feel like I would buy this if I bought clothes full price firsthand. And I do think this is one of the cool parts about trying on somebody else's Stitch Fix box, because I'm like, oh, I would never buy this for myself, but now I'm like, I kind of love it. I mean, let me know. Thumbs up, thumbs down, because I'm thinking thumbs up. I'm thinking this is really cute. Here we go, guys. We're going nowhere in 2021, but I feel like if we were still living our best lives in 2019 and I was going to like a coffee shop after I've been to the gym and been at yoga or whatever we do, I feel like this backpack would actually be really, really cute and stylish. Next up is this long sleeve Under Armour shirt in dark green. This is part of their heat gear collection, and when I pulled this out, I was like, oh my gosh, I love this shirt. Personally, this is exactly like a pink shirt that I thrifted in a different haul, which I'll include above, but my pink Under Armour shirt is seriously my favorite workout shirt of all time, and it was thrifted and I just freaking love it. This one retails for $30. So here is our Under Armour shirt, and again, if this was my box and not hers, I feel like I would keep everything. I really thought I wouldn't like any of these clothes, and now after trying them on, I'm like, I could definitely wear these. I could get behind this. This Under Armour shirt is in a size large, and it does have the thumb holes, which I don't know why on exercise gear is like my favorite thing ever. And when it doesn't have thumb holes, I'm like, what is even happening right now? It needs thumb holes. It's got some cool details in the sleeve, which make it a little bit more unique than just a regular shirt. And then our last two items are two pairs of leggings, which one I think is a capri and one is not a capri. These are both by the brand Guillaume. I don't actually have any idea how to say it. I will put it right here so you guys know what brand I'm talking about. I actually find this brand all the time at thrift stores, and I had no idea what it was. These are super, super soft, and they have a stay put waistband, and they're higher in the back so that your butt doesn't show basically while you're at the gym. These are super, super soft, and they actually have a cute little detail at the back of the ankle. These retail for $54. The longer leggings, which are actual leggings and not capris, and I'm pretty sure these are going to just be so long. These leggings have the exact problem that I thought they would have, which is the fact that they are just incredibly too long. They have so much bunching happening, and the problem is that the detail on these leggings is in the back on the ankles, which unfortunately for me would be where I would have to cut them off. So that's kind of a bummer. In like, I mean, this is just, it's not gonna work. So here's what the back of the leggings look like. You can see they are so cute and would be perfect for someone tall. And then the next one again is by the same brand. These are just called the OM High Rise Relax leggings. I'm really impressed with this brand. I feel like this brand is really nice. These are just standard black leggings, and they are $42. So these are really, really comfy. They've got the pockets on the side, which I can fit my cell phone in. So I feel like that would be really nice if I was going on a walk, because I can actually keep my cell phone in my pants and not hold it awkwardly in my hands while walking. So actually I'm digging the pockets. I'm digging this. These are super soft. I'm definitely gonna have to give this brand more attention when I am out and about, because yeah, these are super nice. These are in a size medium, and I typically wear a size small, and these fit just fine. They might even be a little bit tight, although I could be barking into the medium size range at this point in our time of being in quarantine. If you are small like me, it's something to keep in mind, but these are not gonna be like actual capris. So here are my thoughts on this box. This box originally cost $238, but if you buy all 5 items in the box, you get a 25% discount, which would take off $59.50, which brings your subtotal down to $178.50. And my sister, for some reason, had a $35 credit, so if she were to buy all 5 items in this box, it would be $143.50. Now here are my thoughts. Again, I am super cheap, so $143, which is bigger than my entire budget for February's YouTube spending, so I 100% could not buy this box, even though I actually love all of the items. I think my favorite item is honestly this shirt, because this shirt is so soft and it is so stinking cute, and it's something that would be harder to find elsewhere or in cheaper options. I actually really love both pairs of leggings. Found that these leggings were actually a little bit tight on my waist. My waist is where I typically carry carry the majority of my weight and is my biggest part. So I will say, if you're thinking about it, maybe size up. The bunching on these blue leggings, there is so much happening on this bottom part of this legging. But again, that's just because I'm really small. But it is just unfortunate that this detail, which is probably what makes this one $10 more expensive than the black ones, is something that I couldn't even utilize because I'd end up cutting it off anyway because, again, I'm just short. So again, I hope you guys like this video. If you did, one more reminder to give it a big thumbs up. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. If you have a favorite item, let me know in the comments below which one's your favorite, which one you think we should absolutely 100% keep, and which ones you're like, nah, send those back. That's fine. I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!